Hey, what's up guys? This is Brandon. I'm here with a project today. We're actually going to be taking apart this Subaru. Someone spilled a lot of milk in this cross-center side floorboard right here. Right in this carpet. We're going to go ahead and start taking it apart today, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Okay, so what you're going to do, usually you could just yank these seats up, but I already pre-yanked this one up, and it pretty much just comes out like this on these Subaru Outbacks. It's out of the way. Then what I have to do, I have to go ahead and yank up these plastics. This one was yanked up. We're going to go the other side. This one right here, you just want to give it, there's a little clip right here. You just pull it backwards and it should come off. There it is. It's always super sketchy when pulling clips. That one's in there. There's that one. Alright, so basically what you're going to want to do, there's four bolts for the seats. I'm going to go ahead and move this seat forward. Most of the plastics out of the vehicle. We got the seats out of the vehicle now. Right now we're going to focus on the center console, trying to get that out. Yeah, we got to try and figure out how to get that out. Then we got to pull the carpets up and see what's going on underneath with milk smell. It is super stinky. But first of all, we got to crack a Orange Edition Red Bull real quick to get powered up. Okay, so basically I had to find out where the bolts kind of went. There's these two right here. Then you have to pop this thing out, this center console piece. And there's a couple bolts in here. There's two bolts in here, two bolts on this side. And then you can pull off these plastics right here. And then that way we can pull this center console off. I just got to undo some more bolts. And then we should be pulling this thing out. See the damage. Here's the carpet kit, guys. We took out the carpet kit. This is the side that it's built on. As you can see right here, that looks like a bunch of curdled milk. Pretty gross if you ask me. Let's take a look on the inside. See, that's where we had the spilled milk. It actually looks like there is maggots and stuff in here. That's quite disgusting. But that's what we're looking at, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take everything out of the vehicle. Okay, so what I'm gonna use to clean up this mess right here, this mess, I'm gonna go ahead and use a hot water extractor right here. Water extractor, we got some hot water heating up in there. So we're gonna use that, suck up some of the milk, clean that up. So as you guys can see, we cleaned up the floor quite a bit to get all that milk out. We're gonna throw some cleaners on there, let it sit for a while. probably overnight because we don't have the new carpet kit yet. We're just gonna leave that soaking in there just in case if there's any smell, and then we're gonna go from there, guys. All right, there you guys have it. That was me tearing apart the Subaru Outback. We got the carpet out, we got all the stuff cleaned up in there. I don't have anything else to do right now. We don't have new parts for it yet. So I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll appreciate it. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and comment down below. Throw a thumbs up.